gorgeous, welcome back to the channel. Hope you guys are doing great. Today I'm doing this unit from eullair. Pardon me if I don't pronounce it well. I'm going to leave the link to this unit on the description box, so if you're interested you can check that out. And also gorgeous, please, before you go, if you haven't subscribed, hit on that subscribe button and that the icon so that you don't miss videos like this from me. In this video I want to show you how I install this unit from the beginning to the end. So if you want to see how I install this unit, keep on watching and I will see you guys in my next one. Till then, remain gorgeous. Bye. So the wig is body wave, you see, and it's 26 inches, 13 by 4 lace wig. Came with detachable adjustable strap, some combs, and also a wig is attached to the back and an adjustable strap. So this is the hairline. You can see that the hairline is plucked. So I want to show you guys something about the joining of this wig. You see how they did the joining from here, from this place, and they now went inside, curve it inside. It's not like those ones that they join straight joining, that when you want to part your hair, maybe you want to do corner part or you want to do side parts, you find it difficult. I like the way they join this wig from the inside. They did it a kind of zigzag, not a straight line. You see that? So I just want to show you guys that about this wig that is so perfect. I like this idea because most of wigs, they will just put the joining either in front, very close to the hairline, or they will just do it straight. So with this form, you can pattern your hair from any angle you want without having any obstacle. You see? So I like that about the wig. So I'm going to take it back like this. If you like, you can wet the hair to make it more easier for you to pluck. But I'm not going to wet it. So after taking little part like this, I'm just going to twist from it from the front like this.
Don't know if I'm dreaming.
So I'm just twisting it. Because I want the front of the hair really flat, so I need to twist more from the front. So I'll take another part following the line. Like I said, you can wet your hair if you like. Just wet it before twisting it. I think with that it will be easier for you, but I don't like wetting before twisting. So you see, as I did this, I'm going to twist from here.
You say you're special, one of a kind, one of the better boys.
So I'm going to twist the whole of this line that I just.
Don't have time for trying my luck. I've been too hurt before. You're not that special. Just give it up. I think I've.
So it's more easier when you stand at the back of. You see, I'm standing at the back. Then twist downward. It's more easier than when you stand in front of your wig. So I'll continue twisting like this until I am satisfied. Press it down. You hold it down like this and you twist. Okay. So I'm going to do this round the wig and see if I'm satisfied. I'm going to leave it that way. So when I'm done, I'm going to show you guys how the front looks like. So I'm done twisting the wig. I will spray airbrush legs on the wig, then coil it before coming to install it with you guys. to roll everything like this. I'll coil everything like this before installing the wig. So guys, this is it on. I use airbrush legs on it, on the legs. I'm going to cut the excess lace from this side of it. So I'm going to clean makeup from my forehead. I'm going to use styling gel.
Glue the hair down like this to install the wig. Put styling gel, the edge, all around. It's cold outside, but the fire keeps us warm. We can spend the night beneath the mistletoe.
To use that to blend my forehead. So that is it, gorgeous. Please, before you go, don't hesitate to subscribe if you haven't joined the gorgeous family, and click on that bell icon, and I will see you guys in my next one.